I think we have deals in Victorville, but not today. Today we only just stick around here.
Local.
Okay. Yeah, just close by. Just to give you an idea what probate is, trust sales, foreclosures. What else are we looking at?
Bank owned.
Yeah, bank owned, bankruptcy. There's a lot. So at least you get an idea on how the process in general. But again, this is more like educational. But in real life, when you really, it's more like, this is more like a class, but then we show you a real homes, right? And then, but when you're really ready to seriously looking, then when you work one-on-one with our team, that's when we're gonna customize exactly what is it that you're looking for. Now, Myron, can you give an overview, like what's the agenda today, some of the highlights, what kind of houses that we are planning to go?
Sure, so we're starting out here in San Gabriel. We're gonna
Everybody has the plan?
Yes.
So that first property there, that's a trust sale. There's also the comparables, so we don't have to write notes right now. We'll be going to each house. But the next one's a probate sale. Then we also have another trust sale, bank owned. And then we'll finish up here in Roseby with the trust sale. So there's 3 cities that we're going to be going to are San Gabriel, Arcadia, and Roseby.
Okay, so this Saturday we are hosting our tour of homes. We have 10 homes scheduled here. Homes that's hard to find online. This includes probate, pre-foreclosure, divorce sales, homes in multiple judgment before it hits the general public. So first home here, join us on this tour.
Turn it into an R2, but your lot is only developed for an R1. It's permitted. Right. According to the city planning, they only give you R1, but the ADU allows you to.
Here is a trust sale. It's not available on the market yet. Check it out. We can build a second unit here, 7,000 square foot lot. We are moving on to the second one now. Myron is leading this tour of homes today. Okay, the first home. Can you give a rundown on the first home here?
Sure. This property is in San Gabriel. It's listed at $690. It's approximately 1,500 square feet of livable space, 7,600 square foot on the lot. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Ideal for somebody who has a growing family, somebody who wants to do maybe an apartment on the unit. Ideal location with highways close to the unit. Just a great place to live in San Gabriel. So if you want to
share about the ADU, because that's a good one for. Then we can turn it into a rental.
Sure. So if you're looking for rental property, not only can you rent the house itself, but you can increase your property value immediately by putting auxiliary dwelling units, an ADU, on the property. So since this lot is 7,600 square feet, above the threshold of 6,500 square feet needed for an ADU, you can put one, either make the garage one or put one here on the back. Either way, you can get rental property on this immediately and cash flow positive.
So it's still an R1.
That's right. So it's an R1
zoning
for the property, but with the ADU structure, you can put an apartment that allows it to behave like an R2.
See you at the next one, second property.
Yeah.
Comps on this home is about 780, 800,000. The owner's willing to let it go. It's a trust sale. We can get it done at 690,000. So that's about 100,000 equity. There's a couple of things we need to do in the home, but there's a lot of opportunities for this. Go check it out.
So it's been on the market for 59 days. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, about 1,500 square feet, 7,500 square foot lot. And we're going to be able to access the property before we start cleaning. But that's part of the process. Whenever we make an offer, we make sure that we do inspections, termites, structural integrity.
This is a probate sale. They're going through fumigation right now. Check out the sign. Danger. Don't enter. But we're going to go in anyway. Join us. Check it out. fumigation, termite. So when we put an offer on a home, it's subject to termite home inspection, right? So this home is a probate sale. The owner of the house, but there's no offers. It's been on the market for almost 3 months, right? So they're doing a fumigation to improve, to encourage multiple offer on the home. Let's check out the inside. What about this home? What is, you say this is a probate?
That's right.
Share with everybody, what is a probate?
So it depends on the details of how you ended up in probate. So possibly the previous owner passed away, or there might have been a challenge with ownership, but for whatever reason it ended up in the court case process called probate. And now after it's been concluded on in the court case, they're trying to offload this property.
Yep. So if you own a home, in California, you better have a trust.
Right.
A will is not enough. So a trust, the reason you set up a trust is to avoid probate. Probate is very costly, it takes a long time, and it's a public process. So you own a home now, watching this video, first thing you do, you set up a living trust for your family. This is how you're gonna fumigate, close the whole house. Christy is running a team with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Torrance, South Bay area. She will be hosting her tour of homes, 10 best buys in LA, South Bay.
Yes.
When is that going to be?
Saturday, November 9th.
November 9th. 10 best buys in South Bay, Los Angeles area. What's the best way to call you?
310-779-8890.
All right, but let's recap today. Like, what do we?
So we've been looking at, we've been looking at some great deals. We've been looking at probate sales, trust sales, things that people are typically intimidated by, but we're going to walk you through it and make sure that you get involved if you're in the market. So things that we know, if you wanted to build an ADU, so if it's a rental income, you can have 2 units on an R1 and actually have two tenants paying for your mortgage. So if you want to go there, or
hey, can you explain what is ADU? Because some of the deals this morning that we look at, man, there's a lot of rentals opportunities. But so what is ADU? Educate us a little bit, and what's the benefits, and how can we do that?
So an ADU is an additional dwelling unit that you'll be allowed to by the city. You could be an an R1, which means you're a single family resident home. However, if your square footage of the lot is over 6,500, then you can do an additional dwelling unit on your property so that you can get rental income. So, but that's one of the qualifiers.
Yep, and this morning we're looking at some trust sales, some probate sales. So probate is basically when you pass away and you don't have a living trust, then it goes to probate court. So if you're watching this, you own a home or anything, everybody should set up a living trust.
Correct.
The purpose of a living trust is to avoid probate. That's the only benefit of a living trust, is to avoid probate. My clients, you have access to a free consult with my attorneys. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. If you call me, I want to help you connect with my attorneys that I've been working on for the past 2 decades to help you. Free consultation. There is no cost, there is no obligation, but this is the attorneys that my team and I use over the past 2 decades. Call 626-789-0159. I'm going to connect you with that, because if you own a house, you have to have a living trust. Otherwise, even if you have a will, see, Christy, many people misunderstand. They think I have a will, then it's going to avoid probate. That's no. Even if you have a will and you pass away, it's still going to go to probate. The problem with probate is that, like today we experienced with some of the first homes, is that it takes a long time, the probate court, and it's very, 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 very expensive, and it's a public. Imagine that, right? Imagine everybody knows about your assets, and it takes a long time. It's very expensive. It's not for you. The reason you're setting up a living trust to avoid probate is to benefit the family, right? So that's we learned a lot on that this morning.
Yeah, no, and it's great because then you're being proactive and you're taking care of that before something happens. And like Rudy said, we have lawyers to help you through that process if you need it. If
On house number 3, this is a beautiful tour to start off to enter the year 2020. This year, this property is a 1,600, I believe, 1,600 square foot. Beautiful home. I mean, we're learning. We just came from a house before it was, but it was a great showing. Just can't wait to see y'all on the next one that we're about to go see right now.
Yeah, and we have 10 Best Buys here, 10 Best Buy in the area. Terry here is building a team in Santa Clarita, right? And Terry will be hosting a tour of homes like this in Santa Clarita. What is the best way to call you? We have a lot of people who's looking to buy homes in that area.
Definitely, you can reach me at 818-860-3297. Again, that is 818-860-3297. Make sure you jot that down, put it in your phone right now. Get that number, contact me in the Santa Clarita area, and we have multiple homes that we are on our tour to show.
Yep, for a free list of homes in Santa Clarita, call Terry. Terry is building a team there. Hey, it's to request a free list of homes, including bank foreclosure, short sales, good deals, 10 Best Buys in this area. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to request a free list of homes, 10 Best Buys in any area with free pictures and maps. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. The list includes bank foreclosure, short sale, Rbid homes, distress sales, good deals in the area. 626-789-0159. Join in this one. Alright, so this home is a real estate owned. It's an REO, it's a foreclosure, it's owned by the bank. So this one, for example, is owned by Blackstone, which is one of the major private lenders in the country. So this is a foreclosure. The way a foreclosure process works is that once the owner behind on the mortgage payments, they receive a notice of default within 3 months, and then it goes to notice of trustee sale, get foreclosed. As you can see on this one, they did a good job remodeling the home. Check it out, another foreclosure here in Arcadia.